So this video is for my e-learning friends, and we're going to be working on Monday's worksheets. Now, if you are in school on A days, then you'll be working on these pages with Mrs. Morgan or Miss Beery. And then if you are B day students, you'll be doing these pages on Thursday and Friday in school. However, if you'd like to watch the videos and see what we're going to be doing, you can watch them as many times as you'd like. Okay, so we are going to be looking for the letter D today. Remember, the D says D, like dog. And I'm going to get my marker so we can look at how to write a D. And we're going to be looking for the D sound at the beginning of the word, the D for dog. And then we're going to also look at the D sound at the end of a word, like bed. Okay, for a D, you start all the way at the top, all the way at the skyline. You go straight down to the grass line, pick your pencil up, and then you're going to curve it back for a D. So once again, start at the plain line, go straight down all the way to the grass line, pick your pencil up, and then curve it from the skyline all the way down to the grass line. Okay, and then for a little D, you start up here at the skyline again, go straight down to the grass line, and then pick your pencil up and start at the plain line, and then you're going to curve it around all the way to the grass line again. Okay, little D one more time. Start at the skyline, go straight down to the grass line, pick your pencil up, start at the plain line, curve it around to the grass line. Fabulous. Okay, if you're in Mrs. Morgan's class, Miss Beery likes to do her worksheets in my black crayon. I want you to use your pencil, but I always like to use crayon because you can see it better on camera, and then if you're in class in person, it's easier to see too. So I want to make sure you always use your pencil so that way if you make any mistakes, you can erase it. And then Miss Beery uses a crayon so you can see it's nice and dark. So if you're looking at pages 16 and 17, these are the pages we're doing today, you'll see a cute dog all the way to the left, and we're going to be looking for words that begin with the D. So dog begins with the D. Does box begin with the D? Give me thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down. It doesn't. How about door? Does door begin with D? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. Go ahead and circle it. Okay, next. Desk. Does desk begin with a D? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. Go ahead and circle it. Next, we have wood. So we have the D at the end of a sentence, end of a word this time. So we're going to look for the D in the end. Does bed end with a D? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Bed. Thumbs up. Go ahead, and we're going to underline it this time. How about mop? Mop. Does mop end with a D? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down. Okay, next, red. Does red begin with, or does red end with the D sound? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. Go ahead and circle it. Okay, the next one, we're going to write the D, and we're going to circle one of the pictures that begins with the D or ends with the D. Okay, so first thing I want you to do is I want you to trace the capital D and the lowercase d. So you go straight down, curve it around. For the capital, go straight down and curve it around down here for the little one. Now, which word begins or ends with the D? Period or cat? It's going to be period. Go ahead and circle it. Okay, go ahead and write the capital D and the lowercase d. Straight down, curve it around, straight down, curve it around. Okay, which one ends with the D? Is it the ball or the sled? Which one? It's the sled. So go ahead and circle it. Okay, wonderful job, boys and girls. Go ahead and trace the D again. Capital D, lowercase d. Now, which one begins or ends with the D? So we have dig and we have sad. Okay, which one? Does dig begin with a D? It does. Go ahead and circle it. How about sad? Does that end with a D? It does. Go ahead and circle it. Okay, next, I want you to trace those D's one last time. Capital D, lowercase d. Okay, which word ends with or begins with a D? Is it dog or is it bug? Which one begins with the D sound? It's the dog. Go ahead and circle it. Okay, boys and girls, you did a great job today. If you want to go back and color or trace over and rainbow write these D's, you can. Remember, when you rainbow write, you can use all sorts of colors. So you can go over with blue, orange, pink, purple. You can do as many times as you'd like. Remember, practice makes perfect. So if you'd like to go ahead and add a little more practice, then try rainbow writing those words and having some different colors. I will see you tomorrow for some more language arts. Bye, friends.